Hello, in this video I'm gonna show you how we can send someone money from our PayPal account to another PayPal account. So if you have your own PayPal account and you want to send some money to your friend who also has a PayPal account, you can easily do that by going to paypal.com, and after logging in, you want to click on this send button. After that, you need to choose to whom you want to send your money. So you can either enter their name, their username, email, or phone number. After you select your person, you can then choose how much you want to send them by clicking over here. If you click here, then you can start typing the amount of money that you want to send. Keep in mind that there might be different currencies. So over here, there is your money that you want to send, as well as your currency under the value. And on the right side, we have how much money the recipient gets. So if there is a different amount of money, keep in mind that there might be also a different currency over here. So let's enter the amount of money. Let's say I want to send $10. So I'm gonna type 10 and then 00, because it's $10.00. And after that, we want to click continue. Then you can also choose the reason, or actually the payment type that is concerning you. So for instance, we can choose for goods and services or for friends and family. After selecting the type, we can click continue. And then you can finalize your process of sending the money. If you didn't link your payment method yet, then you can do that over here. Thanks for watching, leave a like and subscribe to my channel, and see you in my next videos. Bye.